Everyone thinks the best-selling Singer sewing machine is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Brother XM2701. First up, we have the Brother XM2701. This lightweight machine caught my eye with its 27 built-in stitches and a price tag of $188.99. If you want a versatile sewing machine that can handle a variety of projects, this is worth a serious look. Now let's talk about what makes this machine stand out. This means you can easily customize your sewing projects, whether you're a newbie or more experienced. The automatic needle threader is a lifesaver. It pushes the thread through the needle for you, saving you from frustration. Plus, the drop-in top bobbin is jam-resistant, so you can focus on sewing rather than fixing snags. With over 2,000 units sold just this past month, it's clearly making waves. Now some people complained about its weight, saying it feels a bit flimsy at 12.6 pounds. Here's the thing though, for most home sewing tasks, this weight is a plus. It's easy to move around and doesn't take up much space. But if you plan to sew heavy fabrics often, you might want something a bit sturdier. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or want a reliable machine for everyday sewing tasks. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty for thick materials. At this price point, it's a solid value for the features it offers. Now, if the XM2701's lightweight nature bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Brother FB1757X. Next, we have the Brother FB1757X, priced at $126.82. This mechanical sewing machine offers 17 built-in stitches and is designed for those who want something straightforward and reliable. If you're looking for a basic machine for everyday sewing, this one's worth considering. The LED lighting is a nice touch, illuminating your work area, which is especially handy for detailed tasks. The reverse button is another thoughtful feature, allowing you to reinforce stitches easily. With over 900 units sold in just a month, it seems to resonate with many users. However, some reviews mention that it lacks advanced features that more seasoned sewists might want. Honestly, if you're looking for a machine that grows with you, this might not be it. But if you want simplicity and ease of use, it's a great starter. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or just need something simple for light sewing tasks. Skip this if you're looking for advanced features or more versatility. For the price, it offers solid value without overwhelming complexity. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for tackling more diverse sewing needs. Product number 3, Singer 4411 Heavy Duty. Coming in at $291.71, we have the Singer 4411 Heavy Duty machine. This one's got a strong motor and 69 stitch applications, making it a powerhouse for various sewing projects. If you want a machine that can handle thicker fabrics without breaking a sweat, this might be just what you need. With 69 stitch applications, you can get creative with your projects, and the 4-step buttonhole is easy to use, so you won't be stressing over complicated setups. The metal frame adds stability, which is crucial when you're sewing heavy materials. This machine has garnered a decent following, with hundreds sold in the last month alone. However, some users found it a bit noisy during operation. I'll be real with you, if you're in a quiet environment, that might be a concern. But for most sewing tasks, the speed and performance outweigh this minor annoyance. This is perfect for you if you're someone who loves working with heavier fabrics or needs a reliable machine that can keep up with frequent use. Skip this if you're only doing light sewing or need something ultra-quiet. Given its capabilities, it's priced fairly for what you get. Now, if the noise level is a deal-breaker for you, let's check out a quieter alternative. Product number 4, Brother HC1850. Next up is the Brother HC1850, priced at $380.50. This machine is a sewing and quilting wonder with 185 built-in stitches and an LCD display. If you're into quilting or need a versatile machine for various projects, you should definitely pay attention to this one. The LCD display is user-friendly, showing you exactly what stitch you're selecting, which adds a layer of convenience. Plus, it comes with 8 included feet, so you're equipped to tackle nearly any sewing task. With over 300 units sold recently, it's clear that many people are enjoying this machine. One downside is that it might be a bit overwhelming for complete beginners given the vast number of features. Honestly, if you're just starting out, it could take some time to figure everything out. But for those willing to invest a little effort, it can be incredibly rewarding. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a machine that can grow with your skills, especially if you're into quilting or creative projects. Skip this if you're a total beginner who wants something very basic. For the functionality it offers, the price is very reasonable. Now, if that complexity is a concern for you, the last option might actually hit the sweet spot. Product number 5, Singer Heavy Duty 500. Finally, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 500 coming in at $507.34. This special edition machine is not only stylish but also boasts a strong motor and 23 built-in stitches. If you want a blend of aesthetics and performance, this one's definitely eye-catching. The 23 stitches provide versatility, allowing you to tackle a variety of sewing tasks with ease. The built-in needle threader and jam-resistant bobbin simplify the preparation process, so you can get to sewing faster. With over 200 units sold recently, it's quite popular among sewing enthusiasts. However, some users noted that it's on the pricier side compared to other heavy-duty machines. Here's the thing though, the combination of design, durability, and features makes it a worthwhile investment for those who appreciate both function and style. This is perfect for you if you love a classic look in your sewing area and need a machine that can handle various types of fabrics. Skip this if you're looking for a budget-friendly machine that just does the basics. Given its quality, it's a solid value in the long run. So there you have it, the Brother XM2701 for versatility, the FB1757X for simplicity, the Singer 4411 for heavy-duty performance, the Brother HC1850 for quilting, and the Singer Heavy Duty 500 for style and strength. Each machine has its own strengths and weaknesses, but ultimately it comes down to your specific sewing needs and preferences.